As the sun's going down here, it is getting cold, but it is also getting dark. So, hopefully, I'm gonna go, when it gets dark, shine these lights on the bushes over there and see how they look. Yeah, right. I bought these, I don't know, 3 years ago, just out of looks alone. I love how they look. Instead of the sort of single bulb that most of them have, this has the five individuals across, and so it's in 3 sections. And then the high beams come on and it's all of them. They look really cool, but they're just not that bright. And I shouldn't say that. They're really bright if you're close to them, but it seems like they don't shine really far. So I've been looking at different headlights, and LEDs that are in the housings that fit where the old halogens were, there's not a ton of options that I'm happy with, and or that I'm really price-wise I'm happy with. They're really expensive. So, of course, at work, good old Napa, I purchased some of these. And these take a 9003 bulb. From what I've been told, the bulbs in here are terrible, so I went ahead and bought some better bulbs with these. So I've got a brighter set of bulbs, but I'm looking at these, I'm really quite surprised with the quality. So, if I'm not mistaken, I do believe the front of this is actually glass. If not, it's a really, really nice plastic. But they're quite reflective. And then the backs are, I don't know, some sort of plastic as well, or these. Anyways, but yeah, then there's the rubber cap, and they're held in, the bulbs are held in with a little spring clip. So, but nice and thin, they will fit into the original sockets, if you will. So, yeah, I'm really curious to see how bright these are. Let's let it get dark here, and I'll get some footage, and we'll get these changed out. Pretty close to dark here, I think. This should show pretty good. Oh, not sure how good that actually looks on camera there, but these headlights, see them there? They shine out pretty decent, but they don't seem like they shine real far. In the shop, sort of. Heater is on, so it's at least bearable in here. All right, anybody looking to do this, we are looking at part number 27012-1 times 2. Comes with bulbs, but I was told they're on the line of cheaper and not as bright, so I went ahead and bought some better night vision bulbs. Part number BP9003NVB2-N. And what these end up doing, or are I guess, is there's different levels of, get the glare here, different levels of brightness, and the golds are going to be the brightest. And it looks like they might have a little bit of a blue tinge to them, maybe? We'll see. Hopefully those are bright. Hopefully these look good, and hopefully they shine better than these. We're in, and visually, we look like we're going to be bright and clear. I'm not sure actually how bright they are, but I suppose let's go take a look. They fit real easy. My headlight ring on this side was broken, so I just went and rummaged through my parts out back, and I found another one. So, got that replaced, got this in. I suppose let's go see how bright they are. Well, not really sure how this looks on camera, but how wide it is hasn't really changed. It is a much more, I don't know, a yellow color, or kind of traditional headlight color. It does look like they shine quite a bit brighter on the bushes, and these do have a nice even line across. And I know that's one thing, those LEDs, they seem to really shine kind of upwards and outwards. And they seem to be, you know, like kind of blinding to oncoming drivers. These ones definitely look like they have a much better line. And they have a pretty wide view, I guess. And then they got two kind of spot areas out there that are brighter. And they're kind of highlighted just by the color of the bush, but you can kind of see them both as well. So yeah, they look good. I'm not sure how they are bright. I wouldn't say they're brighter than the LEDs, but the idea here is hopefully they shine further. I think we're going to take it for a drive and see how they look driving. I might need to adjust them a little bit, but we'll see. It is dark out here, so you can't see much, but headlights are in. I got them adjusted, brought them up quite a bit. I do definitely like these more than the LEDs. The LEDs looked cool, but they didn't shine very well. They didn't have a very focused beam of light. These are way more focused. So you have good focus out there that I can end up actually bringing up, and it creates a pretty good line. So you can keep them pointed down, but at least have them pointed out, and then you know you're not blinding other drivers with it. So I do like that about these, and they definitely seem to shine way further than those LEDs did. So yeah, that's a wrap on this.